All right, I'm back. So I do want to add that smoke detectors and carbon dioxide detectors are a must, but you want to have your carbon dioxide detectors knee level. So, but yeah, those are the tools I recommend homeowners should use or have inside their home. So these are for testing purposes, and then of course the carbon dioxide detectors for testing purposes as well. But we're going to go into my tool list for my tier one tool list. What I like to use first, I like to show you. You know what? Let's not go into that yet. Let me go into that last. So first thing I like to do is monitor your carbon dioxide levels inside your home to make sure they're in a safe home and that I'm in a safe environment and you're in a safe environment. So I do this also. I do a little bit of testing with this when I enter the home, and then also uh, going to check your stove, making sure that your heat fan is moving that carbon dioxide and is not escaping escaping and entering the home. Let's see if it's safe enough as well. For my second tool, for my tier one, this is a gas leak detection device. So it sniffs out gas, but sometimes you can get a false positive, meaning it can sniff out it can ring as if there's gas there, but it's not. So this is another tool that I use. It's a gas leak detector spray. So I spray this on that that section of the piping that this meter is ringing and telling me like, hey, I got a gas leak. But in order to test, I'm gonna go behind that and spray this solvent solution on there and see if it's gonna bubble up to make sure that I actually have a gas leak. For my other tool here, this is my another moisture meter and a CO2. Now this was a carbon monoxide, which is CO, and this is a CO2. Your CO2 levels, it can be a little bit more higher, but the carbon monoxide levels, you want to keep them low. So this is another one of the tools that I actually use. And this is the last tool for my tier one. So I use an infrared camera. So this infrared camera is going to allow me to test to see if there are any thermal breaches when you got missing insulation in your ceiling, in your walls, up your stairs, along the wall. So this is going to give you detail, a heat difference, temperature difference. So I can actually see if you have missing insulation. So nothing hides from me. So this is why I have this test here. Now, I also use this in my tier two inspection when I'm using my blower door. And we're going to get in that shortly. So, this here is what we call a manometer. This is a pressure test. It tests pressure. It does a few other tricks also, but we're going to do pressure. So, I'm going to attach this to my blower door. This is my blower door, and this is the liner that sits on the blower door. So you can either depressurize a home with this blower door, or you can pressurize a home with this blower door. So what I like to do is depressurize this home with a blower door, and we call it 50 CFM, which is air changes per minute. So once I attach this blower door to your home, I use this theatrical smoke here. They help me find certain leaks in your home. And then I also use my manometer and my test pen. This is gonna let me test the pressure of your bathroom vent fans to see if it has that accurate CFM, if it's moving enough air inside your bathroom so you don't retain a lot of moisture, that it moves moisture inside your home. So this is what's going to test me. I'm going to use this here to see my results. And then also with my blower door and with my manometer here, I'm going to go zone to zone pressure testing. That's mean each room, if you got a different pressure, I mean I can with the information I have, I can tell if your home is more connected to your home or is more connected to the outside. So usually if you're missing insulation in a particular room, bathroom, you're going to be more connected to the outside because of that missing insulation, and it's going to pull that air in. So my manometer will test that. My air pressure test, digital test will test that. And that's my blower door. And also when I'm using my blower door, which is what I want to get into, when that blower door is on, it's creating pressure, so it's pulling air through the leaks. And then my infrared camera will actually seize off, go through the home with my infrared camera as well, and look for leaks, look for air passing. So it's going to be a lot more cooler air in certain points in the home. So my infrared camera will see that. Tell myself in the face. So as I go over here, so this is theatrical smoke. So I use this to find leaks using my blower door, and this bad boy here within this here is another manometer that I use for ducts. So this let me test the ducts inside of your home to see which one of your ducts are actually leaky. So, and then I'm gonna run this in here, have this smoke go through your ducts to find out the missing ducts. So I'm gonna turn that off, and you see, if you can hear that this kicked on, because it noticed that, hey, the air was different, and I'm outside. So just imagine that being inside. So those are the things that you should have as a homeowner. These things you can purchase from the web. You can't purchase the air purifier from me. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably get that connected, that link connected to my site, so you can. But this thermometer and the moisture meter I have on the site. But this is a duct tester, and these are the tools that I use, again, to find where you have air quality issues, to find where you have moisture inside your home, and also airflow and pressure, and also heat flow. So I did want to show you guys that. And that's it. Hope you have a blessed day. Take it easy.